How to make a private server in Roblox on PS5. I'm going to tell you how to make a private server in Roblox on PlayStation 5. Right now, Roblox on PS5 doesn't support creating or managing private servers directly from the console. The feature exists, but it has to be set up through a browser or the Roblox mobile or PC app. To do it, log into your Roblox account on a phone or computer, go to the game you want a private server for, and look for the Servers tab. There, you'll see the options to create a private server, name it, purchase it with Robux if required, and configure who can join. Once it's set up, you can then join the server from your PS5 by simply launching the game as usual. Roblox will recognize your access. It's not fully native yet, but with a quick setup on another device, you can still run private lobbies and play on console.